Hello guys! Nice to see you back on the Airbus A320. My name is Pranas and today I'm here with my colleague Andres from the ATPO Integrated Group. Hello! So today we are here to burn an engine. This will happen during the takeoff roll, right before the V1, the takeoff decision speed. So we will stop the takeoff, do the procedure and try to extinguish the engine. The first time the engine will be extinguished, everything will be okay, secure, safe, say as you want. And for the second time, the fire will be uncontained and we will need to evacuate. So check it out, are you ready?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so before takeoff checklist, please.
Before takeoff checklist. Flight controls.
They are checked?
Checked. Flight instruments.
Checked.
Briefing.
Confirmed.
Flap setting.
Flaps 1.
Flaps 1. V1. V rotate. V2. Flex temperature.
Okay, V1 130, VR 135, V2 145, and we have no flex. We're using toga.
V1 130, VR 135, V2 145, and no flex. ATC
Is set.
ACAM memo.
Takeoff no blue. Okay, so
Before takeoff checklist completed.
okay, so if you're ready, parking brake off. I have controls.
You have controls.
And now I will set the thrust levers to 50% and 1 just to check that they are stable. We'll hold it there for a while. And take off.
Manual toga SRS runway. Thrust set.
Checked.
Engine fire.
Stop.
Reverse side green. Decel. ATC, this is Airbus A320. We are stopping the runway. We get engine fire.
Attention crew at stations, crew at stations. Okay, parking brake set. ECAM actions.
ECAM actions. Engine master 2 off. Engine fire. Push button. Pushed. Agent 1. Discharge. Agent 2. Discharge.
Okay, now let's wait approximately half a minute to see if the engine extinguishes. If not, we will continue with the evacuation. Okay, the fire is out.
ECAM actions. Shut.
Continue with the
Shut down.
Okay, you can clear.
Clear.
Bleed. Okay, no abnormal messages. You can clear it.
Air bleed clear.
And electrics generator 2 is offline. That is normal. You can clear it.
Electrics clear.
Start the APU, please. And let's see what we have on the status. Yes, because we are not flying, you can clear the status as well. And we have brakes hot from the RTO, so we will turn the brake fan on. Okay, you can notify the ATC that we will vacate next left and request taxi to the apron.
Tower Airbus A320. Engine is secure. We will vacate left and request taxi to the apron.
So now we will do the second situation where we will have an unextinguishable engine fire, and after that we will also evacuate the aircraft. So
Before takeoff checklist complete.
before takeoff checklist complete, so parking brake is off. I have controls.
You have controls.
And takeoff.
Manual toga SRS runway. Thrust set.
Checked.
Engine fire.
Stop.
Reverse side green. Decel. Tower, this is Airbus A320. We got engine fire. We are stopping the runway.
Attention crew at stations, crew at stations. Parking brake set. ECAM actions.
ECAM actions. Engine master 2 off. Engine fire pushed. Agent 1 discharge. Agent 2 discharge.
Okay, now we will wait for the fire to be extinguished. We'll wait approximately half a minute and then make the decision whether we need to evacuate or not. We still have the indication that we have a fire below the engine master here, on the ECAM here, and right up here. Okay, it doesn't seem that the engine is getting extinguished. Okay, engine master 1 off and emergency evacuation checklist.
Engine master 1 off. Emergency evacuation checklist. Aircraft parking brake.
Parking brake set.
ATC. Tower Airbus A320 engines fire evacuating on the runway. Notify cabin crew.
Okay, we'll give the command.
This is emergency, evacuate.
Cabin crew alerted. Engine masters all.
Off.
Fire push buttons.
Push please.
Pushed. Agents as required.
Okay, we don't need them. So evacuate.